Hello everyone, how are you doing at home? I hope you are doing wonderful. Please, I want you to take very good care of yourself and always wash your hands with soap, okay? And wear your mask whenever you go out, okay? Today we have another topic for you, and before we go to the topic, I would like to ask if you remember what we learned last week. Last week we learned about what we do in English class, and then we saw so many activities. We are not going to say the activities. I believe you remember. Okay, today we are going to talk about animals and their homes. Animals and their homes, where animals live. Okay, what day is today? Today's Thursday, 26th August 2021. And our subject for today is English conversation. English conversation. And we are in primary 4/1 and 4/2. And our topic for today is animals and their homes. Animals and their homes. Animals and their homes. Their homes. Their homes. Okay. And the question is, where do these animals live? Where do these animals live? Okay. So the answers are 1. Cats live in the house. Cats live in the house. 2. Pandas. Pandas live in the mountains. Pandas live in the mountains. And number 3 is parrots. Parrots live in the trees. Parrots live in the trees. Okay, and number 4, dolphins. Dolphins live in the sea. Dolphins live in the sea. Okay, and number 5 is monkeys. Monkeys live in the forest. Monkeys live in the forest. And I have a question for you. Where do birds live? Where do birds live? Birds live in the... Then you answer in your video. Birds live. When you make a video, then you answer the question. Okay? Answer the question. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. But I want you to make a video and send it to your class teacher or teacher Sarah. Okay? Okay. In your video, I want you to do this. Okay. Hello everyone. My name's Teacher Sarah. My nickname's Sarah. I'm 9 years old. I come from Thailand. I'm in primary 4 now. I live in Chalon. I study in Muslim Satun Retaya School. Today, I would like to talk about animals and their homes. 1. Cats live in the house. 2. Pandas live in the mountains. 3. Parrots live in the trees. 4. Dolphins live in the sea. And 5. Monkeys live in the forest. Birds live in... You answer that one in your video. Thank you. Bye.